Alright YouTube, here for my unboxing of my new fishing stuff. So I have my fishing gloves. Six Sense Quake 70. Size 70. Shad color. Clutch Googan. Again, a shad color. That one sounds like that. This one, first one, sounds like it's heavier knockers instead of smaller, lighter ones. Alright. Another clutch. Different color. Crawl pattern, and then another 6 Sense Quake 70. Heavier, less numerous knockers in them. I don't know what you would call this pattern, brim or something like that, or perch. Not quite sure. Black with the yellow and green, and orange with the black stripes. Booyah Pond Magic, 3/16 ounce, and purple. The blades are not painted. Has one Colorado and one Willow. A Whopper Plopper by Larry Doomberg series. River to Sea is the brand, River to Sea. Alright. This one is a size 90. Blue, black back, silver with green gills. Alright. Rage Swimmers 3.25 inch. green and blue flake mix, or green pumpkin with blue flake mixed in with silver bellies, and then black and blue 3.25 inch because I'm using them as trailers for swing jigs. And then I got a jackhammer. This one is a 1/2 ounce. Green pumpkin with a black jig head on it, and then a clear chatterbait blade on it. I'll take the hook protector off later. Then I got a thunder cricket. This one is gonna be black and red. And the blade is painted black and red as well. Alright, YouTube, see ya.